नमस्कार बच्चों, आपको कैसे हो। मैं सोचता हूँ कि तुम्हारे घर में सुस्त है। आज हम हिंदी की पढ़ाई करूँगा। इसके पहले प्रार्थना करना आवश्यक है। हाथ जोड़कर आंखों को बंद कर प्रार्थना कीजिए। हे ईश्वर, हम बच्चे आपके सामने हिंदी की पढ़ाई करने के लिए हैं। हमें आशीर्वाद करो। तुम हमें आशीर्वाद करने से हिंदी की पढ़ाई हम आसानी से करूँगा। हमें आशीर्वाद करो। I hope all of you are fine and safe in your home, isn't it? Today we can study Hindi. Then take your textbook. Take page number 54 in your textbook. Then last days we studied how Punjabis are celebrating Lohri and how Sankranti they are celebrating in Uttar Pradesh. That also we studied, and we started to study how Tamils are celebrating Pongal in their own native places. Okay, Pongal they are celebrating on 3 days. First day what they are doing, second day what they are doing, that we discussed, isn't it? All of you are remembering or not? Did you read the lesson? And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Then after that, page number 53, take page number 54. Take page number 54. Okay. First day of that Pongal, what they are calling for that one? Mongi Pongal. Second day they are celebrating, that is the real Pongal. On that day they are making that food and all, that also we discussed. Okay. Now you can see page number 54. Page number 54. Keep your finger there, keep a pencil with you, and if you want, which are the meanings if you are not getting, that you can write them. Okay. तीसरे दिन को मट्टू पोंगल कहते हैं। मट्टू का अर्थ है पशु। इस दिन बैलों की पूजा की जाती है। बैलों को नहलाया धुलाया जाता है। उन्हें कुमकुम तथा तरह तरह के रंगों से सजाया जाता है। उनके गले में मालाएं तथा घंटियां पहनाई जाती हैं। उन्हें बढ़िया बढ़िया चीजें खिलाई जाती है। What they are doing on third day of that Pongal? तीसरे दिन, तीसरे means third. Okay, third day. What they are doing को मट्टू पोंगल कहते हैं. What is the name for that third day of that Pongal? मट्टू पोंगल. Okay, and the third day of that Pongal is calling as मट्टू पोंगल. Okay. मट्टू का अर्थ है पशु. What is पशु in Hindi? Our cow? No, animals. Okay, मट्टू means मट्टू का अर्थ है पशु. मट्टू means animals. Okay, not cow. Okay, मट्टू का अर्थ है पशु. पशु in Hindi means, in Hindi what is the meaning of the word for पशु? Animal. What is the word for cow? Guy. Don't make mistakes. Okay. इस दिन बैलों की पूजा की जाती है. बैलों means बैलों by ox. Okay. इस दिन बैलों की पूजा की जाती है. पूजा means worship. Okay. Adoration, worship. पूजा, worship. बैलों को नहलाया bath. Okay. bath. धुलाया means decorate. Okay. Bath, and after that they will decorate. उन्हें कुमकुम. What is kumkum? Kumkum means saffron. Okay, the color of saffron is calling as kumkum. Okay, we used to put bindi with that kumkum. That one is kumkum. तरह तरह के रंगों. रंग means color. तरह means different. रंगों से सजाना means decorate. सजाया जाता है. उनके गले में, गला means neck. Okay. गले में माला means garland. Okay, मालाएं तथा गेंदिया. What is गेंदिया? गेंदिया means bells. Okay, bell. We used to ring the bell. Okay, that is bells. पहनाई means Pahanana means to wear. Okay. Pavanai jati. Okay. Unne bediya bediya. Bediya bediya means big big. Okay. Cheese means things. Gilai jati hai. Make them to have. Gilana means to make them to eat or have. Clear? All of you got the meanings? Okay. Then तीसरे दिन को मट्टू पोंगल कहते हैं. The third day of that pongal is calling as मट्टू पोंगल. Okay. मट्टू का अर्थ है पशु. What is the meaning of the word मट्टू? मट्टू means पशु. पशु means animals. Okay. इस दिन बैलों की पूजा की जाती है. On that day, what they are doing? They are worshipping the oxes. Okay. इस दिन बैलों की पूजा की जाती है. They are worshipping the oxes on the day of मट्टू पोंगल. Okay. बैलों को नहलाया धुलाया जाता है. How what they are doing for these oxes? बैलों को नहलाया. They will make that oxes to bath. They will clean that their oxes properly. They will make bath to that oxes properly. और धुलाया जाता है. And after that what they will do? They will decorate that their oxes very well. Okay. How they will decorate that oxes? See that picture. उन्हें कुमकुम तदा तरह तरह के रंगों से सजाया जाता है. They will decorate that oxes with different colors. Kumkum means saffron color. Saffron color. तदा different रंगों से सजाया जाता है. सजाना means decorate. They will decorate that oxes with different colors. Okay. Then उनके गले में मालाएं तथा गेंदियां पहनाई जाती है. After that what they will do? They will put the gala means neck. Okay. उनके गले में मालाएं means garland और गेंदियां I told you what it is. Bells पहनाई जाती है. They will give them make them to wear with the bells and many types of garlands and colors. Okay, they will decorate that oxes really well. Okay, after that what they will do? उन्हें बढ़िया चीजें दिलाई जाती है. After that they will give them big things. What all the things that oxes want to have? That eating items, that eatable items, the people will provide them to have. Clear? Okay. तीसरे दिन को मट्टू पोंगल कहते हैं. मट्टू का अर्थ है पशु. इस दिन बैलों की पूजा की जाती है. बैलों को नहलाया धुलाया जाता है. उन्हें कुमकुम तथा तरह तरह के रंगों से सजाया जाता है. उनके गले में मालाएं तथा गेंदियां पहनाई जाती है. उन्हें बढ़िया चीजें दिलाई जाती है. All of you got? Okay, simple lesson only. Come to the last paragraph of the lesson. घर पर माँ ने बताया संक्रांति का त्योहार भी सूर्य की पूजा का त्योहार है. जिस दिन सूर्य एक राशि से दूसरी राशि में प्रवेश करता है उस दिन को संक्रांति कहते हैं. लोहड़ी संक्रांति की पूर्व संध्या को मनाई जाती है. वैसे ये तीनों त्योहार एक ही भावना के प्रतीक हैं. इन त्योहारों पर नदी में स्नान किया जाता है तथा गरीबों को दान दिया जाता है. इन सभी त्योहारों पर नाच गाने के भी परंपरा है. What the writer is telling to us? घर पर माँ ने बताया. Mother told the home. Mother told that what told. संक्रांति का त्योहार भी सूर्य की पूजा का त्योहार है. संक्रांति festival, on the festival of that Sankranti also what they are doing, they will do the worship, puja for सूर्य, सूर्य पूजा they are doing. Okay. जिस दिन सूर्य एक राशि से दूसरी राशि में प्रवेश करता है. What mother is telling, on which day that the sun is moving from the one position to the other position, राशि में प्रवेश करता है उस दिन को संक्रांति कहते हैं. That day is calling as Sankranti. Mother told the children as when the sun is moving from one rashi to the other rashi, that day is calling as the Sankranti. Okay. लोहड़ी लोहड़ी संक्रांति की पूर्व संध्या को मनाई जाती है. When Lohri is celebrating, it is when Lohri is celebrating, Lohri संक्रांति की पूर्व संध्या को मनाई जाती है. This Lohri is celebrating on the previous evening of the Sankranti. Okay, when Lohri is celebrating on the previous evening of the Sankranti. Clear? वैसे ये तीनों त्योहार एक ही भावना के प्रतीक है. Likewise, these three festivals, which are the three festivals are there? Lohri, Sankranti, और Pongal. These three festivals are the symbol of the same imagination, same thought. Okay, same thoughts. These three festivals are celebrating on the same thought. Okay. Then इन त्योहारों पर नदी में स्नान किया जाता है. What people are doing on these festivals? इन त्योहारों को these festivals त्योहारों पर नदी में स्नान किया जाता है. People are doing their bath on the rivers. Okay, they will do their bath in the rivers. Okay, किया जाता है. तदा गरीबों को दान दिया जाता है, and they are helping others through donations or charity. For these all three festivals, people are donating to the poor ones. Clear? इन सभी त्योहारों पर नाच गाने की भी परंपरा है. What also doing? What is the tradition for these three festivals? People are singing and they are doing dance for these all festivals. These three festivals on the Pongal, Lohri and Sankranti, people are singing and dancing. Clear? That is why such traditions are the same. Traditions are there for these three festivals. That is why it is telling us the concept of these three festivals are the same. Clear? Simple lesson only. Okay. घर पर मॉम ने बताया संक्रांति का त्योहार भी सूर्य की पूजा का त्योहार है. जिस दिन सूर्य एक राशि से दूसरी राशि में प्रवेश करता है उस दिन को संक्रांति कहते हैं. लोहड़ी संक्रांति की पूर्व संध्या को मनाई जाती है. वैसे ये तीनों त्योहार एक ही भावना का प्रतीक है. इन त्योहारों पर नदी में स्नान किया जाता है तथा गरीबों को दान दिया जाता है. इन सभी त्योहारों पर नाच गाने की भी परंपरा है. क्लियर? Then see meanings. First section meanings we study. I hope all of you wrote and study. All of you by hearted that one. See the second side of the meanings. Repeat. അധ്യാപക്, ടീച്ചർ. വിസ്താർ, മലയാളം വേർഡ് അല്ലേ, വിസ്തരിച്ച്. ഡീറ്റെയിൽ. ഓക്കെ, വിസ്താർ, ഡീറ്റെയിൽ. ആഗ്, ഫയർ. പത്തീലി. What is a പത്തീലി? Patili means a pan, a pot. Okay. Surya, studied from third grade onwards, isn't it? Second grade onwards. Surya means sun. Okay. Bail, bullock or ox. Okay. Kungum, saffron. Okay. Kungum, saffron. Puja, worship. Purva Sandhya, eve. Snan, bath. Okay. Dan, charity or donation. Parambara, tradition. Okay, parambara, tradition. Then see page number 56. नीचे दिए गए त्योहारों का संबंध उनके राज्यों से जोड़िए. Okay, festivals names are related what it is given there and its rajya. States names also given there that we want to match. Okay, संक्रांति उत्तर भारत के राज्य. ओके. पोंगल तमिलनाडु. ओके. लोहड़ी पंजाब. ओके. लोहड़ी पंजाब. देन बिहू असम. गणपति पूजा महाराष्ट्र. ओके. that also we studied. We can that you want to do that. Then next one is third one, page number 56. Third one, ये काम किस त्योहार पर होते हैं? Some on which festival these activities are performed. Some activities are given there. It is performed to which festival that we want to mention there. Then रात को आग जलाना. रात को आग जलाना when it is doing. रात को आग जलाना लोहड़ी. Okay. गिजड़ी पकाना संक्रांति. Okay. Then गुड़ चावल दाल उबालना, that is on पोंगल. Okay. Then बैलों को नहलाना, that also पोंगल. सूर्य की पूजा we are doing on पोंगल. And in the last paragraph it is telling us इस दिन संक्रांति के त्योहार पर भी सूर्य की पूजा किया जाता है. Then we can write सूर्य की पूजा we are doing for पोंगल and Sankranti. Okay, two festivals names we can mention there. Then next one, Bhasha Gyan. Language and grammar learning skill. Okay, Bhasha Gyan we can study. Malayem. Okay, Malayem. Next, by itself. Okay, by itself. Then third one, Revadi. Then how we want to write? Revadi Diya. When we are writing singular, Revadi we want to write. When we are writing the plural, Revadiya. Okay. Then Gandi, same way Gandiya. Clear? Gandiya. Okay. That also we want to write there. Okay. This much we can study today. Remaining sections we can study on the next day. Okay, all of you read the lesson 5 times. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You want to clear it on our online classes. Clear? Okay. And then read the lesson 5 times. Write and study these meanings and these sections. Okay, shall we wind up the class now? Okay, we can wind up the class now. Thank you children, and all of you be there in your home. Be home, be safe.